softly. So how many of you believe that you're born yogis? Anyone who says we are a born yogi? Anyone? No? See, I'll tell you how you are born yogi. Whenever you feel like your neck is stiff, what do? You just make it go like that. So what is that? You are a yogi, but you're not aware that you are a yogi. That's it. So let's do a neck rotation, clockwise and anti-clockwise each 2 times. Come on, everyone. Rotate your neck very softly. Make the movement very soft so that you are aware that you're moving it from one side to the other side. Going for the other way around 2 times. Come on, move your neck entirely. It should be very soft. Yes. From here, coming back. Let's stand up on our feet. Everyone. Khade ho jaye. Yes. And make sure your cams are adjusted in that way I can see you people. Yeah. So let's start with a small game. I want to see how much aware everyone is, how your body reacts to the situation given. Okay? That can help me know how stressful living you are doing. So how it is, I'll just show you the posture. So I'll ask you to sit. So how do you sit? This is the sitting posture. You sit on the chair and then you fall forward. So you sit. You have to push your hip back, knee front, and you are sitting as if on a chair. Fine? And you fall forward. This is fall forward. So now the game would start now. So you're sitting, fall forward. Come on, everyone. Practice it. Practice it. Sitting, fall forward. Got it? Okay. Most of the time, what we do on the chair is we sit. So let's start. So when I ask you to sit, you have to sit. When I ask you to go fall forward, you have to go. I'll keep changing. Okay, fall forward means fall forward. Sit means sit. Okay, let's start. Everyone, sit, sit, fall forward, sit, fall forward, sit, 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 fall forward. Everyone is aware. Good. Sit, sit. Avik, please make a check. Fall forward, sit, sit, fall forward, fall forward, fall forward. Don't come up. Those who are doing that, they'll go wrong. Sit, fall forward, sit, fall forward, sit, sit, fall forward, again, sit, fall forward, fall forward. Those who came up, they were out. Huh? So you should be aware. Come up, come up. You should be aware. Now, the posture which I made you do is actually very good for your lower back. When you fall forward, you actually release that stress in your lower back muscles and you get a nice stretch. So let's do that in a better way. Come on, everyone. Move your palms towards the floor as much as possible. Those who feel like a great stretch, they can bend in your knee a little bit, palms towards the floor. Yes. From here, if possible, look forward or make your head go towards your shin. Let's stay there for a while and see which body part is shivering. Okay, let's stay there, stay there. 1, 2. See, is it shivering in any body part? 3. Let me know then. 4. Come on. 5, 6, 7. You have to stay there. 8, 9, 10. Everyone in the chair pose. Everyone in the chair pose. Both your hands in Namaskar Mudra. So you're just pushing your hip back. Your spine is still erect. Yes. Stay there, stay there, stay there. Come on, be seated, be seated. 1, 2. आगे नहीं जाना है ज़्यादा. 3, 4. Stay there. 5, 6. Is it trembling? Is it shivering on your thighs? 8, 9. I see people doing beautifully. 10. Come back. So this is a very good practice if you want these muscles, these are called your quad muscles, to get strengthened. Going for the next game. So the next game is again actually a stretch where we stretch our upper body entirely. Have a look how the stretch is. This is the upper one where you interlock both your hands and make it go up. This is one. The other one is the lateral towards your right. Coming back, moving yourself towards your left. Fine? And the last one, fall forward. Again, with interlock hands, you're falling forward. Everyone got that? Let's practice it once and then we'll start with again. Come on, interlock up. Yes. Move yourself towards your right. Yes. Coming back to center. Towards your left, everyone. Everyone towards your left. Yes. Center. Back towards the floor. Come, come, come. Okay, come back. So, now you are a clock. Imagine you are a clock. This is 12. This is 12. This is 6. Fine. This is 9 for me. And this is 3. Fine. 3, 9, 12, 6. Now you need to be aware. When I say 12 o'clock, your hand should be here. When I say 6 o'clock, it should be here. When I say 3 o'clock, where should it be? Here or here? Are you aware? Are you there with me? 3 is here or here? Here. 3, 9. Fine. Okay, we'll stick to this. 3 is here, 9 final. 3 is here, 9. 12, 6. Come on, everyone. Everyone at 12, 6, 3, 9. Come on, 6, 9, 3, 12, 6, 12, 9, 3. Come on, keep doing without looking up to me. I'll just say 6. Where's 6? 6, 3. Where's 3? 3, 9. Make sure you're doing correct. 12, 6, 9, 3, 12, 6, 12, 6, 12, 3. All those who went down were wrong. Come on, come back, relax for a while. Just relax. Just relax your hands. Relax yourself entirely. Fine? From here, going for the next stretch. So it's very simple how we'll do the stretches. Again, we'll work on the stretch of a muscle. You know why do we stretch actually? How does it release your stress? The circulation of blood is very important and it definitely helps. So one leg forward, your right leg forward, left is to the back side. From here, what you have to do is just interlock yourself towards the back. So दोनों हाथ को आप पीछे ले जाएंगे. This shows how flexible you are. Fine. And उसके बाद आपको नीचे जाना है. You have to move yourself down as much as possible. So those who can go till here, go there, stay here, rest all. Those who can go further down, please go ahead. Up, but don't bend in your knee. Don't bend in your knee. Knee is straight enough and you're moving yourself down. Come on, everyone with me now. Right feet forward, left to the back side and offline stance so that you don't fall. Interlock. Let me see how flexible everyone is. How your stress levels are. Nobody is having stress in life. I know. Come on. Move yourself towards your shin bone. Yes, towards your knee. Come on. Come on. Go down. Go down. Yes, maintain. Feel that stretch. 1. Stay there. 2. Lower, lower, lower. 3. Very good, Shavni. 4. 5. Good, Bhaskaran. 6. Good, Satish. Awesome. 7. Come back. Softly come back. From here, just take a turn. So from here, you just come here. So it's like this. Fine. Now interlock. Move. Move yourself. Move yourself. Come on. 1, 2. Lower, lower, lower. 3. Awesome. 4, 5, 6. Come on, lower. 7. Come back. Inhale and up. Everyone felt that stretch on your legs? No. Yes. So when you're sitting for long hours, you can definitely stretch in that way. That definitely helps your leg muscles to get relaxed. Moving ahead. The next one. You know the goddess pose. We'll do the goddess pose. How the goddess poses, I'll show you. That's very easy. Anyone with major or severe knee issues, please avoid this. Just have a look. Rest all can do with me. So what you have to do is your feet are almost apart. That is almost 1.5 times of your shoulder width. Fine. And from here, you've moved your toes out. You will bend yourself in your knee. Knees are going to the outer side and you just try and sit. Fine. Now, where's the goddess? Upper side? Yes. Come on, both your hands to the upper side. Breathe. 1. Lower, lower. Don't come up with me. I am just stepping forward to look you, how you people are doing. 2. Up, up, up. You should stay here, huh? Don't give up. 3. 4. Bhaskaran, आपके पैर दूर कीजिए, feet apart. 6. Mahantali, doing great. Raj, doing great. 7. I know it's paining. 8. 9. 10. Get up, get up, get up. Fine. Everyone did good. Going for the next one. So the next one is much more easier. Fine. So what you have to do is, going down, you'll just raise your heel. So you have to balance. Now here comes the coordination. So whenever a person is in stress, he cannot coordinate his muscles properly. So we'll just try. You have to just raise your heels. Your hands are on knees and you have to raise your heels. See, can you balance? Can you balance? Don't lean forward. पीछे नहीं जाना है. In line with your body. 1. Stay there. Stay there. Stay there. You have to be there. Heels up. 2. 3. 4. 5. Awesome. Everyone can balance. Let's see the other one. So this is called as the Vrikshasana, the tree pose. It's very simple. What you have to do is, you have to just move that leg up. Have a look first and then go. From here, you will place it here. Touching up to your inner thigh, perineum. Fine. Those with any issues, they cannot reach up to here, will place it below. But remember, you're not placing it on your knee. So it is either below or above. Fine. The knee is to the outer side, hands in Namaskar mudra. This is very simple. This is what you have to do. And this is something that helps you maintain that balance in your life even. Come on. Everyone ready? Right leg, lift it, place it, balance properly, focus at one point. Okay? Both your hands in Namaskar mudra. Yes. Stay there, stay there. You have to stay there. I'll give a count. Let me see how many trees fall. 1. No tree should fall. 2. 3. Balance, awesome. 4. 5. You have to balance now with closed eyes, remember. 6. Close your eyes there itself. 7. 8. Close your eyes. I can see that, huh? 9. How many of you are not closing your eyes? 10. So how many trees did fall after closing your eyes? Many. So how is your balance and coordination at that time? Your eyes is the major region. So focus at one point. Going with the other leg. Come on, lift. Lift, lift, lift. Knee out. Hands in Namaskar mudra. Yes, maintain, maintain, maintain. You don't have to fall. We are not a falling tree. We'll just stand straight. Come on. 1. Stay there, stay there. You people stay there. 2. Don't jump. We are not hopping. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. Eyes closed. Let me see how many of you can balance now. Eyes closed. 9. 9.5. Eyes closed. 10. Drop. Relax. If everyone is tired, I know everyone is tired now. Let's be seated. Let's be seated. Back to a position. So how is everyone? Better? I don't know how many of you are doing yoga. So it might be like a little bit of more movements for you today. If you're doing that, that's well and good. Going for the next thing. So we'll do twisting posture again. So how it is, have a look. We are right now doing the physical practices, then we'll go for the mental well-being. What you have to do is, you have to just move one feet to the outer side. Remember, your spine is erect. So you're bending that knee. From here, the opposite elbow will catch hold of your knee. And from here, the other hand will go to the back side. And just you look towards the back side. You have to maintain yourself here. Getting this, how the twisting posture is? So if it is your left feet, your right hand, elbow, and your left palm would go towards the back side. So you'll twist and look towards the back side. Getting that? Follow my instructions, you'll be able to do that. Everyone bend in your right knee. Place that to the outer side of your left feet, lift here. From here, your left elbow catching up to your right knee. Place your right palm towards the back side, twist. Yes. Keep looking towards the back side. Breathe. 1. Is everyone breathing? I cannot find anyone breathing. 2. How are you breathing? You can feel your abdomen touching up to your thigh. 3, 4, 5. Come back. Other side. Come on. Lift. Place it. Catch hold with your elbow. Move yourself. Look towards the back side. Breathe. 1, 2. Piche dekhna hai. Towards the back side. 3. Twist entirely. 4. Shoulders broad. Lift your shoulders broad. 5. Very softly come back. Come back. So let me see how stable everyone is. That's a very easy practice actually, but you have to maintain it for me. It's just that. Let me see how stable you are. So your feet are together, your spine is erect, and from here, you'll make sure you both your hands to the upper side. See, when I'm doing this, I'm not slouching first of all. Your spine is very much important. It should be straight enough. From here, both my hands are in line. This is 1. You won't bring your hands down. The second one is this. Okay, you have to stay stable. Fine. And from here, we'll go towards right. We'll stay stable. And from here, we'll go towards the left. So 4. In all 4. 10 counts here, 10 here, 10 here, and 10 here. We'll do that all together, everyone. Come on. Feet together, knees entirely pressed towards the floor, both your hands to the upper side, spine erect. Don't slouch. Come up. Stretch entirely. Yes, breathe. 1, 2, maintain yourself. 3, high up. You don't give up. You keep doing. 4, ऊपर रखना है हाथ. It should be to the upper side. First, you have to place yourself upper side. वहीं रखना है. You have to be here. Everyone, ऊपर ले जाओ वापस. Move it up, and you have to stay here for 10 counts. 1, 2. Let me see how stable everyone is. Don't look down. Look forward. 3, 4. Head and hand should be in line. 5. I know you will feel that pain in your hands. That's okay. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Everyone towards the center, front side hands. 1, 2, maintain. I want to see how stable everyone is. 3, 4, 5. Azad, what happened? 6, paining. 7, get back. 8, 9, 10. Everyone towards your right. Twist. Right. Why is it spreading out? It should be together. Come on, make it together. See how your body is responding. Make it together. Breathe. 1, 2. Shravani, your back is going back. Come forward. 4, 5. You should be in line with your body. 6. All the kids are really doing well. 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. Those who are tired can drop at least. I know. If you're tired, you can drop. Go towards your left. Breathe. 1, 2, 3. What happened, Vivek? 4. Ganeshan, I cannot see you. 6, 7. Good one, Viraj. 8, 9, 10. Come back. So you can realize that how stiff it is. How are your hands now? Feeling better? Yes. So you have hands. Everyone is having hands. Huh? We never knew it's so difficult to lift that. Finally, we have it. Fine. Yes. So it's like we are not aware of our body parts. Actually, whenever we work, we keep on doing with that consciousness that this should go right, this should go right. But we are never taking care of our body. Even if I ask you, everyone, are you breathing right now? How many of you are aware? Are you breathing? Everyone is aware they are breathing? Yes. From where do you know you're breathing? Let me know. Here, here, or here. From where do you know you're breathing? From your stomach, your chest, or through your nose? Only through your nose, chest. Someone says chest and someone says abdomen. Actually, there are 8 parts in our body that says that you're breathing. Are you aware of all those 8 parts? Many of them might be and many of them might be not. So we'll discover only 4 today. 3 everyone knows. Everyone knows the 3 major parts. One is your nostril, that is your nose. One is your chest, and the third one is your abdomen. 4 parts. We know 3. We'll try and discover the 4th part today, where you can feel your breath. Fine. Let's give it a try. Let's lie down. Let's lie down, everyone. Lie down and rest in Shavasana. Feet apart, palms away, palms facing towards the ceiling, eyes closed. Make sure your neck is towards the center. It's not dropping on any one side. Okay, keep resting. Relax your shoulders entirely. Drop them on the floor. Eyes closed. Rest. You have to lie down and rest entirely. Keep listening up to me and follow my instructions carefully. Relax your hands, eyes closed. Make sure you're stable, you're not moving anymore. Let your feet fall. Yes. From here, let's breathe in deep. Inhale. Exhale out. Inhaling, make sure your abdomen is filling in the air. Inhale, let your abdomen fill in the air. Exhale, it is dropping down entirely. Inhale, your abdomen is coming up. Exhale, it is dropping in. Inhale, it is coming up. Exhale, it is dropping in. Try to fill in the maximum air again. Inhale. Exhale out. Inhale. Exhale out. Now let your breath be normal and try to discover. Can you feel it in your abdomen? You can feel the movement of your abdomen going up and down. Everyone, mentally say yourself yes or no. Your chest moving up and down. Don't move. Don't move. Stay there. Your chest is moving up and down. Yes. You can feel the air going in through your nostrils. Yes. Then what is the 4th part? See how you're breathing and feel that. Try and be with your body. Let's find some me time. You have to find it by yourself, where you can feel your breath. I hope everyone must have discovered till now. Coming back to your body, take a turn on any one side, be seated very softly. Yes. Turn on to any one side and then be seated. Yes. Turn on to any one side and be seated. I hope everyone is relaxed now. Going for the breathing practices. Fine. Did you discover anyone who could discover? बैठ जाइए सब. Anyone who could discover which was the fourth part? Or should I give you more half an hour to discover that? Your abdomen is there, Samuel. Chest is there, nostrils are there. 3 we have already discussed. Here, I don't think so. Where else? Who said so? I cannot see their face actually. Who could feel it? No one? The fourth part? Anyone could discover? Yes, Rajesh, you could discover that?
Airflow inside.
Inside where?
Like when we are
like
inhaling.
When we breathe, it goes inside, I know. But I want to know that organ, the outside body part. Throat. What did you say? Samuel, what did you say?
Soul.
Oh, you can feel your soul. That's great. Fine. I'll give you some more time to discover. No problem. Going for the next. Working for our facial muscles. Whenever we are in stress, our face just goes dull. So we'll work for that. How we'll do is, today we'll go for Sanyasa. So it is a very good practice to work with your facial muscles, but those who suffer from high BP, please avoid that. Fine? Please avoid that. Those who are suffering from high BP, rest all can do along with me. So how can be the sitting position? From here, this is called as the Vajrasan, where you sit in this way. Okay? From here, what you have to do is, your knees should go apart. You're just moving your knees out. Those who can sit in this posture, well and good. Those who cannot sit, will sit normally as they are sitting. And from here, what you have to do is you have to move your fingers in. Palms on floor. Is everyone ready with this posture? Yes. And what you have to do is, have a look. You'll inhale. So what am I doing is, I'm working with my facial muscles. So what you have to do for this, you have to bring your tongue out with a sound. Now don't worry. Let everyone think whatever they want to, but you have to make sure that you're making that sound. There should be no stress while making that sound. It should be loud and it should come from your belly. Come on, everyone. Let's release out that stress. Inhale. It's a very strong thing. You have to bring your tongue out, and while exhaling, you're doing this. Again, inhale. Again, 2 more times. I'll give a check to everyone's practice. Inhale. Is that sound coming up to your ears? No one? Come on, make it louder. Everyone, let go of that stress. Inhale. Out, out. Come on. Again. Inhale. Last 2 more times. Inhale. Last one. Inhale. Relax. So how did you feel in your throat? Good. You can sit properly now. You can sit properly. So this is called the sea garjana. It did not look like a sea garjana. You know how a lion roars. Was it like that? No. So it should be as strong as that. So whenever we are stress-free, we can find that voice coming out through our belly. Right now, it's coming out from here for everyone. It should come from here. Right now, is everyone breathing? Is your abdomen moving in and out? Yes. Just give a check. Yes, it is moving. Where your hands are placed? Just give a check. Where your feet are. So everyone is there with me. I just wanted to know that. Fine. Going for the next practice, that is called as the Nadi Shodhan, the Anulom Vilom. This is a very popular practice, and this definitely helps you to relax your muscles and especially your entire nadis. There are 72,000 nadis in our body, and we need to cleanse all that nadis. You know, we cleanse everything. We cleanse our fridge. We clean everything. We make sure that a table is clean. Why don't we clean our body? How should we clean it? So this is the best practice to do that. So you have to clean that from bad thoughts even, and this helps. So what you have to do is, this is called as the Pranav Mudra, where you move your thumb out, 2 fingers placed on the base of your thumb, and the other 2 are here. Fine, everyone is aware. You have to use your right hand, remember. This is called as the Pranav Mudra. The mudras are very important when you are practicing. So now, remember, you are using your right hand always. Right now, it might look a little bit different for you people. This is your right hand, everyone. Fine. Now, you have to first inhale through your left nostril. So you're inhaling through your left nostril first, then exhaling from your right. You will just open that sound. Inhale again from your right. Exhale from your left. Now again, you will inhale from your left. Exhale from your right. Inhale from your right. Exhale from your left. So inhaling, exhaling, inhaling, exhaling. This is one round. Getting? You'll start from your left nostril. Got it, everyone? Anyone who's having doubt? This is the Pranav Mudra. Very easy. See, first 2 fingers, just place it here. The other 2 are here. Fine. Let's start, everyone. Be seated, spine erect, eyes closed. Those who find difficulty can look up to me and do. The other hand is in Gyan Mudra, this way. The first finger and thumb touching each other, placed on your knee. Fine. From here, inhale through your left nostril. Exhale through your right. Inhale through your right. Exhale through your left. Keep doing. Inhale through your left. Exhale through your right. Inhale through your right. Exhale through your left. Keep doing. आपको करते रहना है अपने आप से आंखें बंद रखते हुए. Make sure your eyes are closed, your shoulders are relaxed, and you are breathing. Keep doing till I ask you to stop. Once you're done with that, making sure this is your last round. So you'll complete this by exhaling from your left nostril. You can just relax your hands on your knees. So this is a practice which you can do it by yourself at your home even, whenever you find time for yourself. This is a very relaxing practice. You might have felt that right now. Some of you might have not, because this is the first time you're doing. Moving ahead with the Omkar Ucharan and the Brahmi. These are the best practices. Those who suffer from insomnia, that is sleep disorder patterns due to stress levels, you can definitely reduce that by practicing this twice a day and definitely before sleeping. So the Omkar Ucharan is very important. The other one is the Brahmi. I'll be teaching you both, but remember, while chanting Omkar, what you have to do is make sure you are inhaling first, and while exhaling, you are chanting the Omkar. मतलब सांस छोड़ते हुए आपको ओम का उच्चारण करना है. So it is, you inhale. Om. and it should be very long as much as possible. Fine. The other one is called as the Brahmari. That is again a practice in which we do only the Makar swar, which is there at the end. You must have heard the bee sound, that the buzzing bee. In the same way. So what you have to do is you have to close your eardrums. Have a look first. Don't do it right now. You will close your eyes with your 2 fingers and the other 2 on your forehead. So you have to close your eardrum so that you cannot hear the outside sound. Fine. You will close it, but don't create so much of pressure. From here, what you will do is you will inhale first. Only that sound, and you should hear it internally. Once your eardrum is closed, you cannot hear the outside sound. Fine, everyone. So we'll practice 5 times Omkar, 5 times Brahmari, and then we'll lie down. Lie down means हम शवासन में विश्राम करेंगे, उठेंगे नहीं. And whatever I say from here, you have to make sure that you are doing that, but not moving your body. You're just listening to me. Okay, you're just listening to me and just answering it to yourself mentally. You're not coming up, sitting and answering to me. Fine. So 5 times Omkar, 5 times Brahmari, and then we'll rest. Come on. Let's start, everyone. Sit in any comfortable posture. Spine erect, hands in Gyan Mudra, eyes closed. We'll start with 5 times Omkar. Everyone start. Inhale. Om. Again, keep doing by yourself. अपने आप से करते रहिए. Inhale. Om. Keep doing by yourself. Complete your 3 counts. You have to keep chanting. Make sure your eyes are closed. If you have completed with your 5 counts, softly move your hands towards your eardrums, your thumb closing your eardrum, 2 fingers on your eyes, 2 on your forehead. We'll start with the Gunjan swar of the bee. Let's start. Inhale. Keep doing by yourself. All those who have completed their 5 rounds, lie down with eyes closed. आंखें बंद करके लेट जाइए. आंखें बंद करके लेट जाइए. Lie down with, remember your eyes are closed and you're just lying down. Lie down. Lie down on your yoga mats, guys. Remember your eyes are closed, feet apart, rest entirely. Make sure nothing is disturbing you. Rest. Feet apart, palms away, eyes closed, shoulders broad, dropping on the floor. Relax your entire body. Breathe in and out. Just keep following me, my instructions. Make sure you're not moving your body from now onwards. इसके बाद आप कोशिश करेंगे अपने शरीर को बिल्कुल ना हिलाएं. Are your feet relaxed? Answer yourself mentally. If not, relax them. क्या आपके पैर विश्राम कर रहे हैं? अगर नहीं, तो उन्हें विश्राम करने दें. Let them get relaxed. See how your hands are. Are they relaxed? Don't move. Just observe them with closed eyes. Just witnessing them with closed eyes. Make sure, even if there is noise in the surroundings, I ask the admin to mute Mangaraj Raju. Keep breathing. You need to be aware.
Hiten, can you please mute Mangara Raju Arati?
Yeah, I'm doing that.
Again, lie down, everyone. Sorry for the disturbance caused. Keep breathing in and out. Make sure your shoulders are entirely dropped on the floor. We'll count our breath. So how will we count our breath? You just keep listening to me. While inhaling, it is coming up. While exhaling, it is going down. So it is counted as 1. Inhaling, your abdomen is coming up. Exhaling, it is going in. It will be counted as 2. So you have to count, but in a reverse order. So we'll start that from 15. So let us do it, everyone. Mentally, you have to keep counting. I'll give a count for you. I'll start for you, and then you keep continuing. Inhale. Exhale. 15. Inhale. Exhale. 14. Keep doing that by yourself. Count in reverse order. Make sure you're counting your breath. आप 15 से उल्टी गिनती गिन रहे हैं और अपनी ब्रेथ को काउंट कर रहे हैं, आपके सांस को. अब जब सांस लेते हैं और छोड़ते हैं, it is 15, then it goes to 14. Keep doing that. In case you forget your count, that's absolutely fine. Count again. But keep observing the movement of your abdomen going in and out. Let your breath be normal and you're still counting. Make sure you're counting. You're lying down and you're counting. If you're starting off with your 15 counts, you have reached up to 1. You're still lying down and resting. Make sure your abdomen is moving up and down, up and down. No movements of your hands, nor any body part except your abdomen. Awareness to your face with closed eyes. See, are you still struggling to close your eyes? या अब भी आप परेशान हैं आंखें बंद करने से और आप आंखें बंद नहीं रख पा रहे? Stay there. You're just lying down. See how your nose is placed on your face. With closed eyes, you're just observing your face, how it is. Where your ears are placed. How your cheeks are. How your neck is placed. Keep observing. Coming back to the entire body. See how it is placed on your yoga mat. Are your fingers together or apart? क्या आपके हाथों की उंगलियां साथ में हैं या अलग-अलग? How your feet are placed. Coming back to the surroundings. Keep listening to the sounds nearby. Be seated. Take a turn on any one side. Rest and be seated. Very softly, you have to sit. Eyes closed. Both your hands in Namaskar Mudra once you are seated. We wait for everyone to be seated. Take your own time. You can chant after me. आप मेरे बाद दोहरा सकते हैं. लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु. ओम शांति शांति शांति. Very softly place your palms on your eyes. आंखें बंद ही रखें. Let your eyes be closed. Move your palms around the body part wherever you feel pain or stress for today. Looking into your palm. अपने हाथ की हथेलियों में देखते हुए अपनी आंखें खोलें. Open your eyes, looking into your palm. Namaste. I hope everyone is